Hello, I'm Darren Webb from igus UK, and for those of you that are into design for manufacture, DFM, I'd like to introduce you to the next level in plug and play solutions, the igus Module Connect. So one of the main benefits of Module Connect is you can do a 3 or 4 pole version of a quick connection module. Literally goes 2 pre-fabricated assembly points that you're unable to connect the main part of the Module Connect. Then where the plug and play and speed for manufacture comes into it is with the pre-harnessed Module Connect assembly, and it literally is as simple as pushing into place and then tightening down the 2 securing bolts, and that is how quick it is to assemble a harness unit from the Module Connect range. So if you'd like more information on the igus Module Connect, please contact me on the below information and I'll contact you straight away.